Hello everyone, welcome to Greypot. Today I'm here with another 1 minute microwave recipe. Let's see how to make apple mug cake. Into a microwave safe bowl, add in 1 cup of diced apple, some cinnamon powder. Apple with cinnamon is a superb combination. Add some brown sugar and mix it. Now microwave this for 30 seconds. Now the apples have become really soft. Take around 2 tablespoons from it and keep it aside. Now into that add in some milk, melted butter, all-purpose flour, brown sugar and some baking powder. Mix it really well. Now microwave this for 1 minute. Garnish it with the diced apples. You can also add a scoop of ice cream if you like. And here it is, our super delicious cinnamon apple cake is ready. And if you don't want apple pieces in your cake, you can always add apple puree. So definitely try out the super easy 1 minute apple cake. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.